All right. This is Dr. Fox with Fox Integrated Healthcare. I am here with Penny. She's one of our patients here in the office. We've been doing some neuropathy work with her, and I'm just going to have her give us a quick testimonial on some of the progress. Penny, tell me a little bit about some of the progress, how you felt in the hands before and how they're doing now.
Well, when I first came in here, I didn't have hardly any feeling at all in my hands. It was, there were like two stumps at the end of my arms. And now I have sensation in my hands to where I can feel things. I don't feel textures and really fine things, but I feel things that I didn't feel before.
That's great news. And you kind of put on your form here, you said on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the best, what kind of, and you gave it a what? An 8, right?
An 8, right.
Okay, so pretty good results. You've been pretty happy with it compared to things you've tried.
Yeah.
So
with everything else that we've tried,
right.
this has been the biggest steps forward that I've taken.
Yeah. Well, we're excited for your progress, and we're hopeful and want to continue to help you with doing even more and getting better.
Good.
Okay.
I'm ready for it anytime.
That's right. Well, thank you.
All right.